Hello everyone, let's look at the steps to limit your ASUS laptop battery charge to 80%. This tutorial is specific to ASUS laptops because this feature is actually not available on Windows 11. It is something that you must turn on manually using the computer manufacturer tool. Usually I don't like to use manufacturer's tools, but this one is actually useful. Okay, let's move on to the steps. Okay, first, let's open Start and look for the MyASUS app. Then go to Devices and then click on General. On Power and Performance, you're going to find different features that you can use, but we're interested in the battery care mode. So in order to limit the battery charging to 80% of the full capacity, just turn on this toggle switch. Now, this is optional, but you can also turn on the instant full charge mode. And this feature, what's going to do is allow you to charge the battery to 100%, but the battery care mode will enable after 24 hours. Now, what do you do if you don't have this application? Well, you can install it manually. And to do that, just open Start, look for the terminal, right-click on the top result and select the Run as Administrator option. This command, winget install, and then just press enter. Because I already have it installed on the computer, it will now proceed with installation. And that's it. That is how you limit battery charging on your laptop to 80% to help you reduce battery wear and extend the overall lifespan of that battery. I know that this is not a solution for all laptops, and this is something that Microsoft should consider adding to Windows 11, but currently that's not the case. However, the company is restricting this feature to Surface devices, and you need to install the Surface app on that particular device in order to access the feature, which is this one right here. Now, let me know in the comments what you think about this feature. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.